2025 Cadillac xt6. Starting at $50.590. Highs. Spacious first two rows, starched sheet metal, long list of standard equipment. Lows. Not quite premium interior trappings, could use more power, third row is tight for adults. Verdict. The handsome Cadillac xt6 is a decent effort in a class filled with a long list of better executed three-row midsize luxury SUVs. Overview. The xt6 is Cadillac's other three-row luxury SUV, a midsizer sitting below the brash Escalade in the lineup. Compared to that truck-based behemoth, the xt6 trades some interior volume for tidier overall dimensions and more car-like ride and handling. There's no V8 under the hood though, but rather a choice between a 3.6-liter V6 or a 2.0-liter Turbo 4. The xt6 is still roomy, with seating for a total of 6 or 7, so you can bring the whole brood along, but the third row is best reserved for little ones. With its creased exterior and stylish front end, the xt6 bears a resemblance to the rest of the Caddy family. The interior feels a bit low rent for a luxury class SUV, however, and doesn't live up to the swanky trappings of Big Brother Escalade. What's new for 2025? The xt6 rolls into 2025 unchanged, and we're a little surprised at that. Caddy's midsize three-row crossover has been on the market since the 2020 model year and has so far seen few updates. Expect a facelifted xt6 to roll out for the 2026 model year. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Cadillac xt6 starts at $50.590 and goes up to $62.090 depending on the trim and options. Luxury. $50,590. Premium Luxury. $56,790. Sport. $62,090. Though the sport trim gets the V6 and AWD as standard equipment, the xt6 is at its best as a luxury cruiser. As such, we feel the money saved by choosing the premium luxury model which gets the same V6 as the sport, by the way, is better spent towards AWD if you want it. We'd also add the technology package, 8.0-inch digital gauge display, head-up display, 360-degree exterior camera system, and more, as well as the driver assist package, adaptive cruise control, pedestrian detection, and still save a few bucks. Engine, transmission, and performance. The xt6 offers a choice of either a 235 HP turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder or a 310 HP 3.6-liter V6 engine. A 9-speed automatic transmission is paired with both. The luxury and premium luxury xt6 trims are offered in front or all-wheel drive, but the Sport is an AWD-only model with additional spirit baked in via a torque vectoring rear differential and steering tuned for quicker reflexes. 20-inch wheels come standard, but you can get 21 inches on the Sport model. A Platinum package is available that gives the xt6 all the goodies, including the Sport suspension. Handling is reasonably athletic for a three-row crossover, but no one will mistake it for the agile CT5 sedan from behind the wheel. 0-60 mph times. In our testing, a V6-powered xt6 Sport managed a 6.4-second run to 60 miles per hour. That's unimpressive for this class, as the xt6 V6 is outdone by even the 4-cylinder version of the Genesis G80, which clocked at 6.1 seconds 0 to 60 mph time, while that model's available 375 HP twin-turbo V6 does the 60 mph dash in just 5.3 seconds. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA pegs the 4-cylinder xt6's fuel economy at 21 mpg in the city and 27 mpg on the highway. The highway number drops to 26 with AWD. V6 models are nearly as efficient, checking in at 19/26 mpg city/highway. AWD drops both figures by 1. That said, when we last ran a V6 all-wheel drive xt6 on our 75 mph highway fuel economy route, it missed its 26 mpg EPA highway estimate, returning 22 mpg. For more information about the xt6's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The Cadillac xt6 offers both 6 and 7-seat layouts, with either captain's chairs or a 3-seat bench in the second row. Like many midsize 3-row SUVs, the third row is designated for 2 passengers, but access and accommodations are tight for fully grown adults. While the xt6's first and second rows are comfortable, the trimmings don't measure up when compared with those of the Audi Q7 or BMW X5. Cargo space is limited, too, with room for only 3 carry-on suitcases behind the third row. But lowering all of the rear seats frees up enough room to fit 31 suitcases. The Q7 accommodates 4 cases behind its third row but just 25 with the seats down, making the xt6 the better choice if you need to transport big, bulky cargo. Infotainment and connectivity. All xt6 models feature standard touchscreen infotainment, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, onboard Wi-Fi with available hotspot capability, 3-month trial included, and wireless device charging. Cadillac's latest software is displayed crisply on an 8.0-inch screen and reacts promptly to commands. Navigation is standard on the premium luxury and sport trims and available on luxury. Safety and driver assistance features. A host of driver assistance features, automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear park assist, are standard on the xt6, while more advanced features, adaptive cruise control, night vision, reverse braking, super cruise hands-free driving, are available as options on the premium luxury and sport. For more information about the xt6's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with hands-free driving mode, warranty and maintenance coverage. All Cadillac models, including the xt6, come with the same standard warranty package. It entails bumper-to-bumper coverage for 4 years or 50,000 miles and a powertrain warranty that stretches to 6 years or 70,000 miles. Most of the xt6's European rivals offer only a 4-year/50,000 mile package for both warranties. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 6 years or 70,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for the first visit.